Hello friends, welcome to Info Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 16th May. Let's start. In the year of 1857, on this day, R.N. Madolkar was born, an Indian politician who served as the president of the Indian National Congress for a period. In the year of 1911, on this day, construction of Talla water tank in Calcutta was completed. It was said to be the world's largest overhead water tank at that time. In the year of 1920, on this day, Commander Joan of Arc, French freedom fighter, was given the title of Saint. In the year of 1931, on this day, Indian politician and scholar, former Foreign Minister, Government of India, Natwar Singh, was born. In the year of 1943, on this day, the fighting in Jewish settlements in Warsaw ends. Police and commando teams entered these settlements on 19th April. In the year of 1945, on this day, famous literary of Odia language and linguistic Gopal Chandra Prairaj passed away. In the year of 1960, on this day, international telex service started between India and UK. In the year of 1960, on this day, the first successful operation of the laser took place in 1960 by physicist and engineer Theodore Maman. On the same day, International Day of Light is celebrated on 16th May every year to play a role in light science, culture and arts, education and sustainable development, and also in fields as diverse as medicine, communication and energy. In the year of 1974, on this day, Israeli fighter jets bombed 7 Palestinian refugee camps and villages in South Lebanon. 27 people were killed and 138 others were injured in these attacks. In the year of 1975, on this day, Sikkim was incorporated into the Indian Union as the 22nd state. In the year of 1996, on this day, Atal Bihari Vajpayee was sworn in as the 10th Prime Minister of India. In the year of 2004, on this day, tennis player Roger Federer wins the Hamburg Masters title. In the year of 2006, on this day, Hollywood actress Naomi Watts is named Ambassador of the United Nations. In the year of 2006, on this day, 47-year-old Mark Inglis from New Zealand became the first person to climb Everest using artificial legs. In the year of 2007, on this day, Nicolas Sarkozy begins his term as President of France. In the year of 2008, on this day, Supreme Court rejected the decision of Kolkata High Court to ban 27% OBC quota in postgraduate courses of central educational institutions. In the year of 2013, on this day, American scientists succeed in extracting stem cells from cloned human embryos for the first time. In the year of 2014, on this day, India's renowned industrialist and top member of the Tata Group, Rustomji Homerji Modi, passed away. In the year of 2020, on this day, Center approves revising detailed project report of Ujha multipurpose project. It is located on the Ujha River, one of the main tributaries of the Ravi River in Kathua district of Jammu and Kashmir. In the year of 2020, on this day, Jammu and Kashmir administration approved the appointment of Zubair Iqbal, Senior Vice President of HDFC Bank, as the new Managing Director of Jammu and Kashmir Bank for a period of 3 years. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.